Welcome to the Lido eRouteManual 4.7 Lido AMM arming function tutorial. The arming function within the Lido AMM allows for the automatic display of the Lido AMM in the specific conditions, for example, when the aircraft is approaching the runway safety area. This release provides users with two configuration options for the arming function: turning it off completely or for a specific event, and adding a timer to dismiss the arming function after a specified amount of time. In previous versions of the Lido eRouteManual, the arming function was always turned on whenever the application contained Lido AMM data. With the release of the Lido eRouteManual 4.7, we have introduced new unprotected configuration options, allowing the arming function to be turned off for a specific event, takeoff, landing, or runway incursions, or be turned off completely. In addition to this, a new timer has been added, allowing the Lido AMM to be dismissed and returning you to the previously viewed chart after a specified amount of time. A graphical indicator will inform you about how much time you have left in the airport moving map view. If you would like to continue working with the Lido AMM, tap anywhere on the map or pan which will automatically dismiss the timer. If the indicator is missing, the timer is not active. This means that you will need to manually select the back button to display the previously viewed content before the arming function activated. We wish you successful operations with Lido eRouteManual 4.7.